Healthy morning, students. We are doing a exercise 6.4 square and square root. See, up to question 4 we have completed in last lecture. Today we will do question 5th. Question 5th is find least number. Find least number which must be added to get perfect square and find perfect square number also. See, in last question number 4 we have found out least number which must be subtracted to get the perfect square. Here we have to add. Let us start from first. 525. Same way we will find out square root by long division method. We will make pair from last two number, first pair and the second pair. Which square is 5 or less than 5? 2. So we will write 2 at 3 places. Up, down in the answer. 2 to the 4. Out plus in minus. 5 minus 4 1. 2 plus 2 4. Put down 2 5. Here we will make one more bracket. Okay. Now this square is at unit place and 4 is at the tens place. So 4 tens are 40. So we will recite table of 40 so that either we can get 124 or less than 125. 41 is 40, 42 is 80, 43 is 120, 44 is 160. है ना? 44 is 160 is greater. So we will try by taking square of 3. If I write 3 over here, then I should multiply it with 3. So it will be 126. But still it is greater than 125. So I cannot take 3 also. So we will take square of 2. It will be 84, which is smaller than 125. So we will take square of 2. And these 2 will write at how many places? 3 places. Up, down, and the answer. And here 84. Out plus in minus. Okay. Now here we are getting reminder, that means what? 525 is not a perfect square. 525 is not a perfect square. Now what we'll do? See, here little bit different is, little bit method is different. In question number 4 we want to find out perfect square number by subtracting a least number. So in that question we have subtracted remainder, minus कर डाला था. तो यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा, हमें ऐड करना है. We'll take help of the quotient. Okay. So after 22, which number comes? 23. So we'll do square of 23. We know it is 529. You can multiply 23 by 23 to get the square of 23. Now what we'll do? We'll subtract this 525 from 529. We'll get 4. We will get 4. तो 525 में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा? 4. जैसे 525 में 4 ऐड करूंगा तुरंत बन जाएगा 529, which is perfect square. तो 4 should be added to 525 and we want square root also. So 5 perfect square number will be 529. Its square root will be 23. Okay, simple. Whatever quotient you are getting, find out square of next number and subtract question from that square. You will get the least number and this is the perfect square number. Okay, go through it. Let us solve second one. Which is 1750. Same way we'll find out square root by making pair of two numbers. Now v square is 17 or less than 17? 4. So we'll write 4 in 3 places. Up, down in the answer. Out plus in minus, 17 minus 16 1, and here 8. Now put down this whole pair. So the question will be, here it will be 150. Now same way, unit tens. At the tens place we are having 8 and 8 tens are 80. So we'll recite table of 80 up to 150. 81 is 80, 82 is 160, 83 is 240, 82 is 160 is greater. So we'll take square of 1. If I write 1 over here, it should multiply with 1. Okay. So it is 81. So we'll take square of 1 at how many places? 3. Up, down in the answer, and here 81. Okay. Now, as I told you, we'll find out square of next number. So after 41, which number comes? 42. We'll find out square of 42. You can find out square of 42 by multiplying 42 with 42. Okay. It will be 1764. Now what we'll do? We'll subtract question from this square. We'll get 14. So 1750 में कौन सा नंबर ऐड करने पर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाएगा? 14. So 14 should be added to 1750. जैसे 1750 में मैं 14 ऐड करूंगा, I will get 1764. That means perfect square. And square root of 1764 is 42. Okay? Go through it. Let us solve next one now. Third one will be your homework. I am doing fourth. Third and fourth both will be your homework. I am doing fifth one. See, method is same. There isn't any change in the method. Number 5, which is 6412. Make a group of two digits, 12, 64. Okay. Now tell me which square is either 64 or less than 64. 8 square. So we'll take 8 square 64. We'll write 8 at 3 places, up, down in the answer. 8 8 is 64, out plus in minus, so 0 0 16. Put down this 12. Look, now whatever number if I write over here, always it will be greater than 12. 12 से greater ही हो जाएगा. अगर मैं 1 भी लिखता हूँ तो 161 1 जा 161. So whenever by writing 1 over here number become greater than this, then you have to take help of 0. 160 0 जा 0. So we'll write 0 at 3 places, up, down in the answer, and here 0 0 0. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll take square of number after 80, which is 81. Let us find out square of 81. 81 square, that means 81 into 81. It will be 6561. 6561. Now what we'll do? We'll subtract 6412, that is question, from this square. 6561 minus 6412. So it is 149. Okay. So 149 should be subtracted to get perfect square. As I subtract 149 from 6412, I will get ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है, शुड बी एडेड. Okay, so it will be 6 5 6 1. So it is perfect square. Square root of 6 5 6 1 will be 81. Okay. So here this question number 50 is over. Your homework will be number 3rd and number 4th. Okay. Bye.